Sakti. Guruvadi Saranam, Tiruvadi Saranam. Benefits of Irumudi. With all the great saints, the great Mother Adi Parashakti is said to be seen as a form of knowledge and wisdom. But it is only here in Melmaruvattur, Amma is found in a corporeal form. All those who get an opportunity to offer Irumudi must be truly blessed. Irumudi fasting not only benefits in this birth, but also helps in future births. Those who can afford should help 10 other devotees by paying for their expenses and come to Melmaruvattur to offer the Irumudi. When we wear Sakti Malai for a request with strong conviction and offer Irumudi, we can get benefits for sure. Physical ailments would be cured, marriage obstacles would be removed, childless couples will be blessed with progeny, education and knowledge would flourish, advancement in job and businesses would ensue, deserved profit would be obtained in business, family issues would be resolved and mental harmony would be attained, the unemployed would get jobs, agriculture would be developed, involvement in devotion and spirituality would ensue, Amma would protect us from evils and guide us to lead a disciplined life. Amma's oracle says, you will be benefited for every Irumudi you offer. In this world of mobile communication, your habits will forbid you from entering spirituality. Whatever might be the obstacle, we must never refrain ourselves from offering Irumudi together with our family. We should not think that offering Irumudi 3 or 9 times is sufficient. We must continue offering Irumudi every year as they provide special benefits and blessings, says Amma's oracle. Those who are suffering due to Saturn's 7.5 years transit in their zodiac sign should just come to Amma instead of trying to find a cure anywhere else. Every Irumudi offered to Amma adds to the good deeds and gives good results to the devotees. When children participate in offering Irumudi along with their parents, they do well in their education. The wish that we keep for our children, including their education and goals in life, will all begin to manifest. Irumudi will also safeguard our children from bad habits and dangers. We know that the responsibility for the children of our red-clad devotees is always taken care of by our Amma. Once, during a discourse, Amma said, those who offer beyond 20 or 22 Irumudis can distinguish between the good and the bad among people. Women save money little by little and invest in chit funds only to be deceived. As we keep on repeating offering Irumudi, we gain development in spiritual life. Thereby, we become a guide to many others. Through us, they receive Amma's blessings and grace. This enhances positivity in our lives. Help the poor and the less privileged people to offer Irumudi. When you do this, your family will prosper manifold. Educate others about the significance of mass prayer and using the lemon to remove the evil eye. Your life status will improve. Irumudi is a stable opportunity to get all your wishes to come true. That is why our Amma gives so much of importance to Irumudi. So do the Pada Puja to our spiritual Guru Amma, offer the Irumudi and watch all your wishes come true. Om Sakti.
Please like, share and subscribe to the Bangaru Amma Global YouTube channel for more inspiring and uplifting videos like this one.